Warm good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to our webinar. Today we are going to discuss about order management in busy software. So we'll have a clear idea about order management, its needs, its benefits, and also we'll look after the configuration part in busy software. We'll check practically also in busy software. So be with us, myself Kuntal Dasgupta, your host on this side. Let's start the session. So what do we mean by order processing? See, order processing is a kind of system that engage in commercial transactions between a buyer and a seller for a specific product or a kind of service item. It's maybe in a spoken mode or it may be in a documentation mode also. There are two types of order. One is the purchase order, another is called a sales order. Now, purchase order means a thing that basically whenever you require a material from the market, you place an order to your vendor. In that scenario, it's defined as a purchase order. And in case of sales order, you as a vendor, whenever you got a order from your customer, you provide or you deliver your product against that order. In such scenario, it's called a sales order. A customer who is providing you an order, it's defined as a sales order at your end. Needs. Let's say first discuss about the needs. Why this order processing management is required in organization or in a company. See, it's a help to maintain a speedy transaction between a customers. Means whenever we place an order against a customer, in that scenario, we can deliver the product to a customer, no need to wait for the purchase bill or the sale bill, and we can have a speedy transaction between the customer and a vendor. So order management help to maintain that kind of bridge against or that kind of system, so that we can have a speedy transaction between the customer and the vendors, vice versa case also. Inventory planning. Now, let's say you have a planning for a production purpose, you require and need some inventory in your godown, you set an reorder level in your item. You order management take care about this kind of process. Order management help you to plan an inventory or to procure a stock before going for a production purpose, or to maintain your trading, or to maintain your out process of your stock. So it take care about the complete inventory planning system. Pre-purchase and sales cycle. Now, thing is that as we placed an order or we received the order, we deliver our product on according to that order. So in such scenario, if you placed an order or you receive an order, let's say you placed an order to your vendor, a vendor delivered the product against your order, that help you to keep your sales cycle in a proper way, so that you no need to wait for the purchase, or no need to wait for the challan, or no need to wait for other things to set your stock in such a way that you can sell that item future in proper method. So it helps to set pre-purchase against the sales cycle also. Reduce human mistakes. Means if we define the order in a not in a written or not in a documentation, in a spoken mode, then in such scenario it's seen that, let's say any customer is giving me an order of 2 piece, I forgot I delivered him a 1 piece. So if it is documented, if it is properly maintained in a professional way, and we share our order in mail, so it helps us to reduce any kind of mistakes while delivering the product against the order to our customer, or receiving the product from our vendor against the order. So now let's have a look about the beneficial of maintaining a order processing in company or in organization. Forecast market trend. Now, thing is that through this order process, you can verify or you can justify what product demand is going on the market. Let's say you have three kind of product. Which product is getting more demanding in the market? Like it can be visualized. It can be visualized as per the order processing method. Next, to minimize the work time, it's obviously minimize your work processing time. As you place your order, product get also be delivered in proper time to a customer, or you receive the product in a proper time from your vendor whenever the order management process has been ensured in your organization. Next, it also helps to enhance customer service. As a order you receive from your customer, you deliver that product in a proper time to your customer. This create a healthy relationship between you and your customer. So the customer no need to wait for a sale bill or no need to wait for a challan to get certain product in a proper time. So against order, you can deliver your product to your customer. That will help to create a healthy relationship between you and your customer in a specific way. Scale up and down easily. Now, thing is that order processing also take care about your products quality. Let's say your product quality or your products quantity needed to be grow up or needed to be keep it down. In such scenario, order management helps a lot. As per the market survey, as per the market demand, is if you think that your product order the order that you're getting for a particular product is getting low because of your product quality, or is getting high demanding but your product production is low, so you can scale up and down that kind of in that kind of scenario, you can scale up and down your products quantity as well as your quality also. So order management process also help in that scenario. Now let's have a look on the options that needed to be get implemented while using these features in Busy. So first thing that needed to be pointed out in our mind is the features and option. Whenever you use to enable this option, you need to go to configuration option that will be under administration part. Under configuration, you will get a button called features and options. You click that features and options button, then you will get a button for inventory. You click that inventory, and on the left side you will see the order processing option which you need to enable from that position. So this is the implementation part. So this is the first step you need to do. Next, whenever you enable the order processing option, you will get a configuration button under that. And the configuration button may have many features that can be enable or disable according to your industry or according to your company's requirement. We'll check practically in Busy. Sales and purchase order. Yes, obviously in the transaction model, you will get both these options, sales order entry and purchase order entry, through which you can generate your order or you can receive your order. Next, adjustment. You need to adjust your order against a sale. If you need to adjust your order against the challan, so you can do the adjustment entry also. And the related reports. So whatever reports you will getting available in Busy related to order is the kind of report like pending order report, order wise statement that include which order has been adjusted in which bill or in which challan. So you can get also the report related to order wise statement in Busy. So we'll check all these things practically in Busy software. Before that, let's have a short screen scenario of these features. So you can see the display of features and options for enabling order processing that I have already explained, that you have to go to administration, next configuration, under configuration features and options, then you have to click the inventory button. Under inventory button, you will get this kind of information. On the left side, you can see that enable order processing is an option. There is an enable order processing option. You have to select that option, and then a configure button will get highlighted on the same row. You have to click the configure button, and then you can get this kind of information. Consolidated item while picking from order. This option need if you want to consolidate your item. Whenever you picked a say particular order in a sale bill or in a challan. While picking that order, let's say you have done an order entry for with the same item with different quantity, but price is same. In such scenario, price should remain same if you want to consolidate that item in the sale module or in the challan module while picking that order. So if you have done an order entry of single item in a different row, or you have used multiple row or with a single item, so while picking that kind of order in a sale bill, it will consolidate the item and will keep it in the single row. It will merge your quantity, it will merge your price, and it will reflect on the single row rather than the multiple row. It will just reflect on the single row with the merging quantity and with the merging price of that particular item. Next is the restrictions. If you want to set a restriction that without order I will not do a challan entry or delivery entry will be done or will be do against that order. If order is not selected or if order is not adjusted, then no challan entry or no sale bill should able to be done from busy software. So if you set a restriction, then it will be fixed that it will be the sale bill or the sale challan will be worked only against order adjustment. Similarly, in case of purchase and purchase challan, you can also set a restriction. Restriction of sale order modification after sales. This thing is that if you have selected the order entry in your sale or you have adjusted the sale order in your sale, then there is a restriction. If you select the restriction option, then no person can do the modification of sale order, that order that has been already adjusted in the sale bill. Same in vice versa case in purchase order method also. Auto create adjust order reference. If you disable this option, next in such scenario, it has been seen that whenever you create an order with different item, different reference number box get pop up on your screen while saving the order entry. And that case in scenario, you have to manually set your or manually put your reference number for particular item and have to save that order reference. If you select this auto create order reference adjustment, then no need to mention any manual number or order reference number while saving the order. It will auto create and auto generate your reference number. And in that scenario, your voucher number will be treated as an order reference number. So pending order till it will show the pending order till the voucher date. And while picking the order, is it be picking directly from the when you pick this order in the sale bill, the whatever price you have set in the order, the price will get also reflect on your sale or in the challan. There is an option for automatic picking the order price in your sale, or it may be your default, or it may be picked from the master. Whatever option you need, you can select from here. So this is the entry screen. This is the purchase entry screen I'm showing. First of all, I'm showing the purchase order screen first. Here is a purchase order. You have to select the party, means your vendor. If you are getting a, if you are doing a purchase order entry, you have to select the vendor name on your party. The vendor means the supplier who will be providing you the product or from whom you are going to purchase the product. So you have to mention your vendor name in the party. You have to select your item, quantity, price, amount, and then other taxation related information you can set accordingly and do the purchase order entry. This is the purchase order getting adjusted in the purchase bill. Now order has been done. Now if you have placed an order and if now the vendor has provided you a purchase bill, you want to adjust that order in the purchase bill, or you want to do the purchase bill against that order, you go for the purchase voucher entry and you select the particular party to with whom you have done a purchase order entry. And in such case, whenever you click the item grid button, you have to press the F11 button from your keyboard. So it will show you the pending order of that particular party. You have to select. You can select multiple order, or you can select single order in a purchase voucher, or you can make a purchase voucher with a multiple order also while selecting select all button. So this is the order adjustment in the purchase voucher. Now these are the two major reports that we are providing in the busy software. One is the pending order report and the order wise statement report. So now let's have a practical session and have a get a practical look in a busy software, how order management is configured and how we can see the reports in busy software. So I'm sharing you the busy software screen also. You can see the busy software screen on your system. So first step was to enable your order processing. For that purpose, you have to go to administration. Under administration, the configuration, next the features and options, and then the inventory button. On the left side, you will see order processing. Let's say I show you, highlight you the feature. So you can see the highlighted option, enable order processing. Whenever you click this option, this kind of information will get arises. These are the configuration features, which can be enabled or disabled according to your requirement. If you want to set consolidated option, you want to set restriction option, you can enable this option. And this thing, as I said, that whatever you want, if whenever you pick the order in the sale, it will automatically phase the order price in your sale bill or in the purchase bill. So always from order or always from the price mode. Price mode means whatever price you have set for the particular party, so it will collect from the price mode the sale price or the purchase price, and it will reflect whether rather if you pick the order, it will not collect the order price, it will take the, or it will capture the price from the price mode if you select this option. So it's kept, normally it's kept automatic in default mode, so that it can pick the order information or order detail in the sale or the purchase bill. So let's say I select this option and press the OK button and save this option. Now, first I will show you the purchase order entry, its adjustment, and then I will go for the sale order entry. So for purchase order entry, whenever you enable this order processing from the inventory button, you will found two entry process. One is the sale order and the purchase order. As I already explained, that purchase order is received from a vendor who used to supply the product. So for the vendors, it may be sale order. For you, it's a purchase order. So you have to go to purchase order. You have to press add button. You put your date. Let's say put my date. Voucher number is now automatic. If you want to set a auto numbering or you want to set any prefix suffix, you can do this numbering from here also. Voucher series configuration, purchase order. You select the series through which series you are going to do the purchase order. You click this voucher numbering button. You set automatic numbering, so you can set automatic numbering. If you set a prefix, suppose PU word is my prefix slash, and I set my suffix slash 22 23 is my financial year, and between this a number will get generated. The number may be 3 character or 4 character. Let's say I press it 3 character with the padding character of 0, means 0001 0002. This way the number will come. So if I set this renumbering option, now if I go for the purchase order entry, I press the add button. You can see that the voucher number has been reflecting according to my my setup, as I've set prefix first and then the suffix on the, and in the middle the number is coming for 3 digits, 001, as I have pressed 3-digit numbering. Now select my taxation type. Say, let's say I select local GST 12%. I select my party. So let's say XYZ is my creditor party vendor. I select XYZ as a party. I select my material center. I picked my item. Let's say I got a order of or I am doing a purchase order for HP laptop for 10 piece. Its price is about 50,000 per piece. Now I applied tax. If TDS is applicable, then TDS will get applicable. Let's say I delete this TDS option over here. I save this option. Now this purchase order has been get entered. If you want to see the reflect of this purchase order, you can see from here also, display order processing. Now it will see on the pending order as well as in the order wise statement report also. So first of all, show you the pending order. Pending order can be seen in two methods. Either it may be party wise if you want to see, or you want to see a particular item wise. Let's say I see the pending order of purchase order in party wise mode. So it asking for one account means one party, for a group of party, for all account, or for a selected party. Let's say I select one account for all item or individual item. I said all item. Obviously I've selected only one item, but still I select all item. Now I select the party, purchase party, and I want to see the pending. I set my starting date and ending date. Now if I want to see the value of that item, I can enable this option also. So it will show me the pending detail of my purchase order, that this value of this order quantity has been pending. It's not has been adjusted in challan or in sale bill. So these are the reference number. It will show the only the pending order that has not been adjusted, or that has been adjusted but partly adjusted. So if I show you the order wise statement, let's say I show you the order wise statement also. From here you can see, get the entire detail, which order has been done and when this order has been get adjusted, and how much quantity order has been adjusted in sale or in challan. So if you enable this option also, so adjusted detail, it will show you the adjustment entry also. So now you can see that no adjustment has been done. Adjustment by adjusted quantity, these are all blank right now. It's only showing the on the order quantity. Clear quantity is also blank. Now let's say move on for the adjustment process. I make an adjustment of this purchase order in the purchase bill. So if I go for the purchase bill entry, I click the add button. Now I put my purchase bill number. Let's say 001 is my purchase bill number. I select the same party, that party I have selected in the purchase order. I select the same party, XYZ party. Now now in this item box, I will press F11 button. I repeat, F11 button is the picking of pending order or adjusting of pending order in the purchase voucher. So while pressing the F11 button, you can get the pending order list. You select your pending order number and you press the OK button. Entire information related to your order will get reflect on your purchase voucher. So you can partly adjust this purchase order. How you can do that? Let me show you the option. Let's say you have placed an order of 10 piece HP laptop, but you are now purchasing 5 piece. So you manually change this quantity and you save this option, or you save this entry. I'm disabling. TDS is not required right now. I disable this option. Now, if I want to see the pending order, will it be showing me that order entry in pending order? So answer is yes, because it has been partly adjusted. It has been not been fully adjusted. So it will show till the order is not fully adjusted. So let's say I checked in the pending order report first. Now you can see that your order quantity was 10, your order pending is 5. Means your total order quantity was 10, but your reference number is still pending because you have partly adjusted your order in the purchase voucher. So if you want to see which purchase voucher you have adjusted with which purchase voucher, what was the order number and what was the purchase voucher number with whom the order get adjusted, partly or fully. So you can get this kind of information from order wise statement. So if you see the purchase order, if you click date wise, you want to see the report through date wise, you can select the date wise option. From date, starting date, ending date, you place your starting date and ending date. And you want to see all the document, you want to see only the pending document, or you want to see only the pending item, or the pending doc of all item. I want to see all document. Let's say I select all document, and I want to see the adjustment detail also. So let's say I enable this option also, adjustment detail. So I enable this adjustment detail option, and I press the OK button. Now you can see that 10 was the order quantity, 5 quantity has been get cleared, pending quantity is 5, adjusted bill number is this one. On this purchase bill number, this 5 quantity has been got adjusted, and 5 quantity is still now pending. So if I want to cancel this 5 quantity of order, or I want to clear this 5 quantity of order, I can do this option from this reporting part also. How it can be possible? Let's say I have already purchased 5 piece. Now I want to cancel that order of 5 piece that is pending. So I can cancel or I can clear that order from this report also. Simply I have to select this entry and I have to press the F4 button. You can see on your down screen it's showing the F4 button for clearing pending reference. If I press the F4 button on that screen or on that selected entry, it will pop off. A screen will get pop off. It's showing the clear reference. Here you can clear your quantity. You can partly clear your quantity. Let's say your pending quantity is 5. You want to clear 3 quantity and 2 quantities may remain as a pending order. So you can do on that procedure also. If you want to fully clear your pending quantity, you can fully clear your pending quantity with a certain remarks. If you want to get that, I cancel my order. So you can see that it will show that these the remaining 5 order that has been that was pending with that purchase order reference number got clear, and it has been with the remarks I have given that cancel my order. I cancel my order. Now will it be showing in my pending report? Answer is no, because I have fully adjusted. Whether I have selected that order in the purchase or I have cleared that from the report, I have no pending quantity with that particular purchase order, so it will not show in my pending order report. Let's see. If I want to see the pending, is it showing in the pending order purchase order? So you can see that no reference number of purchase order is showing in this report because it has been already get adjusted and also get cleared. So same scenario in case of sale also. Let me show you the sale scenario also. Now if you go for a sale order entry, let's say you are placing an order to your customer with a order number, suppose 001. Let's say SO/001. I select local GST of 18%. I picked let's say ABC as my party, as a customer, and I select item. Let's say item A, I used to sell item A of 20 pieces with a price of 450. Price is defined in my master, it will come, or I can make it manual in this price list also, or make it manual in the order entry module also. So if I want to set taxes apply, I can apply tax. I can save this option. Now if you want a printout from this, while saving this option, you can enable the printing option of also of your sale order. For that purpose, you have to go to administration, configuration, voucher series configuration, and in sales order, the series which you are using for the entry purpose, you select that series. You go to voucher configuration and you enable the sale order printout from here. On the right side, you can select your format. If you have defined a configurable format, let's say Busy has already provided a standard format and also provided a configuration module also to configure your sales order or purchase order according to your requirement. You can configure your format. Let's say I show you on the standard format. So I select the standard option. So I enable this option, print sale order. After saving, I save this configuration from the voucher series portion. Now if I modify that previous entry of sale order, as I click the save button, it will ask for the print. If I press yes button, it will ask for to see the preview first and then print, or you directly want to get print. So you can directly select the print button also. So it will get directly print, or if you click the preview option, it will show. This is the first time I am showing you in the standard format. That's why it's asking that what are the information you need to be get enabled in your standard order format. I said party details should need to be enabled. My voucher creation time and date should also get enabled. My item value should also get enabled. What are my narration should also get enabled. In my order printout format, my shipping address, billing address would also get enabled. So these are the information what you want to get enabled in your standard format. If you want to set your logo of your company in sale order, you can also enable this option, and you select the image path or image folder wherever your image is set on your hard disk, or you set on your computer. So you can select that part also. Next, your declaration, you can fill up your declaration, your bank detail, your footer means your terms and conditions, and your company name as with authorized signatory name detail. And this is the one time you have to do in the standard. So next time if you go for the preview button, it will not ask for this kind of information. It will not ask for enabling or disabling this kind of information. So this is the standard format, sales order format. As I have enabled whatever requirement required for my sale orders display screen, I enable those information and getting reflected in my screen or in my design format. So if you want to disable or if you want to enable these options once again or once more, you can do this from here also, from administration, invoice document printing, in standard, under standard. You can select the sales order option, and under sales order you can re-enable or re-disable the whatever information you want to set on your printout. So as you have done your sales order, as you have seen the purchase order, pending order from your pending order report, you can see the sales order from your pending order report also. This pending order report will you get, it will get from the display button, order processing. Under order processing, it will you will get a pending order form. Under pending order, you will get this kind of information, sales order or purchase order. It may be item wise. If you want to see the report through item wise, you can see item wise. If you want to see the report on party wise mode, you can see through party wise mode also. So let's say I show you item wise. I want to see single item wise order. If single item for maybe this item, I maybe place this item to different or different customer may be giving me order of the same item. So if you want to get the information of all the customer name or all the customer entries for a single item, you can select sale order item wise. You can select one item and all account means all customer, same different customer giving an order for a same item. So in that scenario, you can filter your report accordingly. This let's say only one customer provided me a order, sales order, so I'm selecting one account. So my customer is, or my item name is item A. I had gone an order of item A, and from whom? I had gone order from my ABC customer. So you can see that the report has been filtered on item wise and as well as the customer wise. So if I want to select this option, I will get the entire scenario, which is what was the order quantity of that particular item from that customer, and what was the order price, what is the total order quantity, and the total pending amount of that, and what is the due date also. So every order entry may have a certain due date option, so you can check it through due date mode also. This is pending and this is due date basis. If you want to see the report on due date basis, you can select this due mode also. So now if I want to adjust the sale order in my sale wheel, I can adjust this from sale entry also. Now if I select that particular party, from that particular customer to whom I have generated my sale order, the customer name is ABC. I select same customer in my sale voucher also. I set up my billing, shipping detail, whatever detail I need to fill up for that particular customer. And when I press enter on the item grid line row, I have to press F11 button from my keyboard. Now F11 button will display me the pending order numbers. I can select multiple order and can phase in single sale voucher also. I can select single order also to phase in my sale voucher. As I select, I have done only one order, so I'm selecting only one order, and you can see that all the detail get reflected in my sale wheel. System process is same that I have shown you in the purchase order. If you want to partly adjust your sale order, you can manually change your quantity. Then remaining quantity will be set as a pending order in your sale order processing report, pending order processing report. In order wise statement means in sales order wise statement will also show you the partly adjustment detail. So let's say I've completely adjust this sale order in sale voucher. So I select quantity 20 and press save option over here. Now as I fully adjusted my sale order in my sale bill, if I now want to see the sale order pending order report, will it be showing in my this report? Let me check first, is it showing or not? From as per my concern, it will not show. Still I will show you that is it showing or not. So you can see that there is nothing pending sales order as it has been fully adjusted. 20 quantity was my order and I've already delivered, or I've already marked a bill to my customer of 20 pieces. So pending sale order is there is nothing pending sales order. Now if I want to see which against which sale order I have generated what sale bill, so I can get this information from my order wise statement sales order. So here you can see it, report can be seen in date wise basis also or in voucher number basis. Voucher number means from voucher number to voucher number, means if you have multiple sale bill, so or if you want to have multiple sales order entry, so you want to define that from 001 to 005 I want to see this particular 3 or 4 sales order. So you can set your sale order number from starting sale order number to your ending sale order number, to which number you want to see the reports. So you can see this, or you can go on date wise basis also, and you can set your starting date and ending date, and you can want to see the adjustment details. So enable this option also, so adjustment detail, and you press the OK button. It will show you that item A, there was a sale order of item A of 20 piece or 20 quantity, and I have already cleared 20 quantity in my sale bill. So I have already fully adjusted my sale order in the sale bill. So my sale bill number, adjustment bill number is also showing in this report. So this is how you can manage your sale order and purchase order, and which help you further to make a forecast about your product, that how which product is more demanding on your market and which product you need to produce much, or you need to get a trade for that product. So order management helps in that scenario very well. So this is what about order management process in Busy. I think I have delivered you in a proper way. Still, if you have any questions arises in your mind, you can mark in our chat box. We will take up one by one. Now, there are certain common questions. Let me share that common question also that mostly arises in our mind. So let me share with that question and answer with you all. First question that arises in our mind, that can we maintain order management in Busy basic module? Let's say we have, as we know that Busy is defined in 3 edition: basic, standard, and enterprise edition. New edition has also come called Busy New. So is it possible that order management is enabled in basic on your? And the answer is no, it's only enabled in the standard and the enterprise edition module of Busy. So auto create adjustment order reference available, yes. As I've shown you that whenever you do the order entry, you no need to put your reference number manually. Your voucher number will be treated as your reference number if you select this auto create adjustment order reference in the configuration of your order management system in Busy. Any shortcut? Yes, obviously. To adjust your order in your sale and purchase, you have to press F11 button. Whenever your cursor get down to your item box, you have to press F11 on that position. Pending order list will reflect for that particular party to whom you are doing a sale or a purchase, and you can select that pending order and can do the adjustment on your sale or in your purchase. Can we cancel partial order? Yes, obviously, as I show you on the report, whenever you get the pending order or whenever you go get through your order by statement report, if you see that part order has been adjusted and part quantity has been remained pending or has not been cleared, you can clear that entry through F4. Clicking your F4 button, you can clear your pending order from where you can fully clear your quantity, whatever pending quantity is available with your in your system, whether it may be for the purchase order case or for the sale order cases. Can we generate sales and purchase without order? Yes, obviously, if you doesn't set a restriction that I've shown you, that if you set a restriction that no sales and purchase can be done without order, then in such scenario, it's no. But if it doesn't set any restriction, in such cases, it is answer is yes. Without a sale order or purchase order, you can also do the sale and purchase bill. So these are the common questions that mostly arises in our mind. Still, if you have any kind of doubt, you can share in our chat box. We will take up one by one. I think I've delivered you all in a proper way. So no question in chat box till now. But still, if you have any query in future while using this feature in Busy, you can get back to our expert. You can contact our expert. We have provided a simple help desk number. It's 59828282822. You can have a chat with our expert, or you can clarify or clear your doubt regarding this topic through our expert also. So let officially close this session. Thank you all for joining this session, and have a happy and a nice day. Thank you all.